colon, and then once it passes the once it enters the pelvic cavity, it's now the rectum. So colon, then here's rectum. Okay, and then there's your bladder, there's urethra, and then there's the uterus, so there's the vagina right here. So urethra, vagina, and then the urethra and the vagina join together right here. That's the urogenital sinus where they join together. See the V, the Y actually. So there's the vaginal vestibule. So look in your list, see what else you need to.
So vaginal vegetable, it's the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's parts of the uterus. Okay, so
There's the body of the uterus, there's the horn of the uterus.
right. Okay. Uterine tube is
Okay, if you look in your book, okay, because there's the ovary, right there. Okay, so fallopian tube should be this one, and let's see what the book labeled